Most students lose marks in essay writing before they even start their main body paragraphs. Why? Because their introduction is weak, copied from the question, confusing, or too long. If you are preparing for IELTS, PTE, or LanguageCert, this video will teach you a simple step-by-step formula to write powerful introductions that impress the examiner immediately. By the end of this video, you'll know what to include, what to avoid, and how to write introductions like a Band 7, 8, or even 9 candidate. Let's begin. The introduction is the examiner's first impression of your writing. A strong introduction shows clear understanding of the topic, good grammar, strong vocabulary, and organized thinking. But remember, your introduction should not be too long, too complicated, or memorized. The best introductions are clear, direct, and natural. First, rewrite the essay question in your own words. Do not copy the exact sentence from the question. Example question. Some people believe that technology makes life easier, while others think it makes life more complicated. Weak version, technology makes life easier and more complicated. Better version, many individuals argue that modern technology has simplified daily activities, whereas others feel it has increased complexity in human life. This is called paraphrasing. After paraphrasing, clearly state your opinion. The examiner should immediately understand your position. For example, I strongly believe technology has improved people's quality of life. Or, although both perspectives have merit, I believe technology has brought more benefits than drawbacks. Avoid memorized phrases such as, every coin has two sides, or, since the dawn of civilization. These sound unnatural and can reduce your score. Finally, briefly mention what your essay will discuss. For example, this essay will explain how technology improves communication and increases workplace efficiency. Simple, clear, organized. Here is a Band 8 level introduction example. In recent years, online education has become increasingly popular. While some individuals believe virtual learning offers greater flexibility and accessibility, others argue that traditional classroom education is more effective. Although both methods have advantages, I believe face-to-face learning provides a better educational experience due to direct interaction and improved discipline. This introduction works because it paraphrases the topic, shows both views, gives a clear opinion, uses academic vocabulary, and sounds natural. Here are 5 mistakes students commonly make. Number 1, copying the question directly. Number 2, writing very long introductions. Number 3, using memorized quotes. Number 4, not giving a clear opinion. Number 5, using informal language. Useful phrases include, in recent years. It is often argued that, in my opinion, this essay will discuss, this essay will examine. Using these naturally can improve your writing style. The same introduction structure works for IELTS, PTE, and LanguageCert. IELTS focuses heavily on clarity and cohesion. PTE requires concise writing and good time management. LanguageCert values logical organization and grammatical accuracy. Band 7 plus Formula 1 paraphrase, bump me to opinion. 3. Main ideas. If you follow this structure consistently, your introductions will become more professional, more organized, and much higher scoring. Now pause the video and write an introduction for this topic. Some people think social media has improved communication, while others believe it has damaged relationships. Try using the 3-step formula. Now let us look at a sample answer. Social media platforms have dramatically changed the way people communicate in modern society. While some individuals believe these platforms enhance connectivity and interaction, others argue they negatively affect personal relationships. In my opinion, social media offers more advantages than disadvantages when used responsibly. Remember, a great essay introduction is not about using difficult words. It is about clarity, structure, and confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want the next lesson on body paragraphs, conclusions, or advanced vocabulary for Band 8+ essays. See you in the next lesson.